Kejala makhlaya mentakasngi kalayo ya ka sound center ka bayan ka kedan bagi part ki sound center ke benar pak pertai. Kini ka sound center ka dei ka badan kitar ka bayrap iki briu ki bam duna ka bori asno banyak so khamba ha badan bakren. Kini ka sound center ka dei jong Dr. Jeremy ka perbot ibrang we audiologist and start bapej ka bori asno jong ki briu. Kini di kitar jangan ka juk ka bamta ya ka bala batai Dr. Jeremy ka komni.
So here we have two sounds. Your device is on. So here we will, you can hear the sound when this is a normal hearing aid.
For decades, you've had to accept that even the best hearing aid will always sound like a hearing aid. An artificial sound that can affect your ability to connect in the moments that matter most to you.
This is of
It is because of the time it takes for a hearing aid to process.
Widex hearing aid.
For decades, you've had to accept that even the best hearing aid will always sound like a hearing aid. An artificial sound that can affect your ability to connect in the moments that matter most to you. This is because of the time it takes for a hearing aid to process sound.
Avinash Pawar belum klidu jokan di company oleh tu bagan di kitar menyesngau kilong ke bak compare ya kabar bepenan kamu di bluetooth lemah ke mobile phone ke bak beri kitan.
If you have your Android phone or your Apple phone, so you can listen the music through the hearing aid. So it's like technology advancing and at the same time new features are coming into it. So that's the difference. Now she will explain about this sound center. Yeah, because these sound centers are very expensive affair. If you look at this clinic, this should be the best clinic in the Northeast and one of the best clinics in the whole country. So what we are looking into it, investment is one side and also the well-trained qualified audiologists like Jamaica we have. So we are choosing with both these combinations across the country. So now how many total we want to reach? We want to have at least 50 in the next 1.5 years to reach out. And Northeast specifically, we want to reach out to every single state, at least to begin with the capital of each state in Northeast.
Ya kan ke center la duai bar kut kukodo do we ni kirang ba jokan yam tre ubadan lang ha ka te ke cingalang.
Kalau kau dah minta, dah ni usnya ulu ada mupan ulu.